What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be putting on my new exhaust for old girl. All right, so if y'all didn't see the last video, link will be on the screen somewhere. I cut off my old exhaust because it was rusty, it was holy, and it needed to go in the garbage. And luckily for Christmas, I got a new exhaust to put on to replace it. But we have an issue. The flanges are different from the exhaust right here. So what I have to do first is cut these flanges off. Why? Because I'm just welded together. I got this little adapter piece from Advanced Auto. So I'm gonna try to slip it on like this and literally just weld this all together. So this all gonna be one piece right here, which is not bad. It's not terrible. It's better than trying to basically anything else. I feel like this is the best option. I have a welder right over there so I can test my welding skills. But first thing we're gonna do is cut those flanges off and go from there. Okay, so we have an issue. It's not that huge of an issue, but I'm gonna have to run to the parts store again. This side does not fit. So I wanted it to actually slide onto the pipe. That way it's a lot easier to weld. This side does fit. I'm gonna clean these up, obviously. I'm gonna do it when I come back. But this side does fit. It's just a little too big. You see that? A little too big. So I'm gonna take some better measurements with my what do you call this? Digital caliper. Take some better measurements and hopefully I can find a pipe good enough to work with these. All right, so I'm back again from the store. I got the right size pipe right here to weld. I'm gonna throw it all on the car and make sure I have everything lined up first before I weld it, just to make sure I might miss a hanger or something. Just want to make sure everything's lined up. So I'm gonna throw it up on the car and we're finna see how it looks for the first time, along with the rubber mounts that I had cut off. I'm gonna throw those on real quick too, and we're finna see the first look of the exhaust on the car. So let's do it. So after fiddling around with this, we finally got it on, completely on. Kind of made a boo-boo, but at the same time I didn't. So here's the mid pipe, right here. Right here. Keep going down. O2 sensor will go right here, flex pipe. And we're missing some, we need a cat. You know, I ain't putting no cat on here. So I'm gonna go get a pipe and well, I'm gonna measure this first. Measure first, measure twice, cut once, right? And I'm gonna get a pipe, we gonna measure this, and I'm literally just gonna either tack it and then take it to a real shop for them to do it, or I might just say fuck it and do it myself. But we finna see. Get the back in. The back in. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna figure out the hanger situation right here. Seemed like it was missing one, so I'm gonna see if I can get one on there. All right, so we back. We figured out the solution. Honestly, wait, first, I don't even remember what we recorded, but we had to take the header off to get the down pipe, I guess you want to call it, on. It's like, all right, I don't know what got cut off by this dumbass GoPro, but I got the reducer right here, and we're gonna go from the exhaust, put that on like that. I'm gonna have this professionally welded. And then we got this flex pipe right here that's gonna connect to with 2 clamps. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack this on, that way I can take this off and have it done. And I'll get back to y'all. All right, I don't know where I left off at because the GoPro keep crashing, but I ended up welding it myself. I did the light test, no light came through, so I mean it's sealed up. And it should hold pretty good. It might not look the prettiest, but you'll never see it. So I'm gonna order another clamp. I need another clamp to put that flexible piece on, and I'm gonna be able to finish off the exhaust. So we're gonna pick up with this a little bit later. All right. All right, so I'm back, fully refreshed, ready to finish this off. I already went and got the second clamp because this pipe, it come as a kit, but only come with 1 clamp. So I'm not really sure how they expect you to seal off an exhaust. So I spent another like $5 to get another clamp, and this is gonna be our test pipe right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the gaskets on right here, and I put one right here, and I believe that should be it. Just throw this back on the hanger. I'm gonna just set y'all down and do a time lapse and knock this out real quick. Alright, so it's done. It's complete, as y'all can see, looking real good. Can't even see it hanging at all. This eBay exhaust, it actually fits pretty good, you know. Look at that. I'm shaking this, and I don't hear no rattles, no nothing. But we not gonna know the real answer until we get this thing started. So I got some parts coming in within the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna be throwing that stuff on. the few remaining pieces to get the car started. The timing belt kit, the tensioner, I need a new battery, I need to get some gas, some oil, and some coolant, and I believe that's it. Anything else is probably very small, like bolts I lost or broke, small stuff like that, but that's literally the remaining things needed to start this car. So I got a couple of those things on the way, and I'm gonna get it knocked out as fast as I can. Make sure y'all ring that bell and subscribe to get notified of all my uploads. Starting 2022, I'm finna start uploading as much as I can. I really want to take this YouTube stuff really serious. I've been doing this since, it's probably been like 12 years. You know, I've uploaded, I think my first upload was either like 2007 or 2008. So I want to ramp this up all the way, and I need y'all support. Make sure to leave comments. Anything y'all want to talk about, just leave it below. Let's have conversations. Leave some likes. Check out my social medias at Steezy Manny. It's all gonna be in the description in case y'all need to see. And one last look at this thing. It's looking real good. I'm finna take it off the jacks and should just wait for the parts to come. But I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and I'll see y'all next time.